Welcome to another exciting mathematics lesson. Today, we will learn how to find the area of a trapezoid using a simple formula. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve real-life problems involving trapezoids measured in square centimeters and square meters. Our goal today is simple. We will identify the important parts of a trapezoid, apply the formula correctly, and solve different examples using centimeters and meters. Before learning something new, let's review. Every shape has its own formula for finding area. Today, we will discover the formula for another quadrilateral, the trapezoid. Recall, rectangle, area equals length times width. Parallelogram, area equals base times height. Triangle, area equals 1/2 times base times height. A trapezoid has 4 sides, but only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. These are called the bases. The height is the shortest distance between the two bases. Always identify the two parallel bases first. Next, locate the height. The slanted sides are not used in finding the area. To find the area, first add the two bases. Multiply the sum by the height, then divide the answer by 2. Let's solve together. Step 1, add the bases. 8 plus 12 equals 20. Step 2, multiply by the height. 20 times 5 equals 100. Step 3, divide by 2. 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Therefore, the area is 50 square centimeters. Notice how we followed the formula step by step. Always include the correct unit, square centimeters. Now let's solve another example, using meters. The area is 64 square meters. The only difference is the unit. Instead of square centimeters, we use square meters. Read the problem carefully and identify the measurements before using the formula. The flower garden covers 84 square meters. Let's solve another real-life example. The bulletin board has an area of 1,500 square centimeters. Pause the video and solve these problems. Resume when you're ready to check your answers. Did you get 54 square centimeters and 240 square meters? Great job! Remember, only the two bases and the height are used. Always divide by 2 and write the correct square unit. These 4 easy steps will help you solve any trapezoid area problem. Try solving this on your own before checking the answer. Excellent work! Keep practicing mathematics every day. Learning today builds success tomorrow. Congratulations! Today you learned how to find the area of a trapezoid using a formula. Keep practicing because every problem you solve makes you a stronger mathematician. See you in our next lesson.